How to fix blurry text fonts in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to sharpen fuzzy or unclear text on your screen. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. After that, click on System. From there, click on Display. At this point, check your scale setting under Scale and Layout. An unusual custom scale can sometimes cause blurry text. In the next step, click on the drop-down and select the recommended scale option for your display. Following this, if text still looks blurry, search for Clear Type in the Windows search bar and open Adjust Clear Type Text. Once done, make sure the checkbox to enable Clear Type is checked, then click Next. From here, follow the on-screen samples and click on the text that looks clearest to you at each step. At this stage, continue clicking Next through all the samples until you reach the end. Keep in mind, blurry text can also happen if an app isn't scaling properly, so try right-clicking that app's shortcut, going to Properties, then Compatibility, and changing High DPI settings. Finally, click Finish to apply your clear type settings, then restart your computer to make sure all changes take effect. And that's it! If this guide helped you fix blurry text fonts in Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one!